Hey Eric, good morning. This is Chad at Tameron Honda in Hoover, Alabama. And I wanted to thank you for your recent online inquiry again to Mr. Blake and Miss Gina. I think you've been talking to some of my managers here on the Basque Red Pearl CRV EX. So I definitely wanted to thank you for your interest in that. I wanted to shoot you this personal video just to show you that we do have that exact vehicle in stock, sitting here, ready for you to take home and put in your driveway. So this is the Basque Red Pearl. Now on the EX CRV, you're going to get your Honda Sensing Suite standard. You're going to get that full Honda Sensing Suite with the lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking. All those things are going to help keep you and your family safe while you're on the road. Now you're also going to pick up the fog light package here as well, which is going to be great for days like today when it's kind of muggy and a little bit dark outside. You also have your LED daytime running lights that are going to be right here that'll turn on for you with the car. You don't have to turn those on, they're automatic. So that's an awesome thing there too for good visibility. Also going to have your premium aluminum alloy wheels here, no steel wheels or anything like this. Now I don't know exactly what you know about the CRV, but it is a very safe vehicle, 5-star safety rated across the board, front, side, rear, and rollover. One of the safest vehicles on the road. Now on the inside of the vehicle, that's where it's going to really start to shine for you, okay? So you're going to have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in the EX as well. You'll have the moonroof. You'll have the 10-way power driver seat. You'll have the brake hold feature, electric parking brake, the economy mode that can help save you gas as well. You'll have the 60-40 split seats in the back, the capless fuel filler. There's really a whole lot of things on this vehicle, man. What I need you to do is give me a call back, 205-527-0335. Take advantage of that aggressive pricing that you got. That's our Labor Day pricing that they had sent to you. So it's no better time to buy than today, man. Today is the day to get this vehicle, take it home and put it in your driveway. Again, Chad Harrelson at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-527-0335. And Eric, if there's one thing I can guarantee you, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.